We do this shit for real. I've been ripping the filters off these cigarettes. Probably cause my grandpa did it, shit is vicious. And I'm sick of myself always feeling so angry. I'm never sober so my eyes are hazy. Hard to be on the wave when you're an AZ. I was on perks, man, that shit was crazy. Car crash got me taking bitches, no. I told the doctor, I don't know about that. He said it's cool, just don't take none. You'd be surprised how quick it turns to a rattlesnake bite. I take flight and go. Now every night a new show. And all the bitches bad. And all of them probably hoes. And yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah, she was a thought. She turned around and fucked your friend after she gave you box. But nowadays that shit is typical. Nobody knows how to get physical. I'm smoking this weed like a ritual. And fucking a baddie's habitual. But stressful too. So please just give me the whiskey on rocks. I've been through a lot, like sitting in front of the spot with all of my homies, like we going in or we not. My hand is gripping on the Glock, thinking to myself, should I do it, should I not? I mean, it's not who I am, but then again, it's not who I'm not. So I gotta air this bitch out like a vent. If I don't, how am I gonna pay rent? And I got a baddie at home, she a 10, and she want me to hit it again and again. So just tell me really what it's worth. Yeah, life's a bitch and I'm fucking her. I was popping perks and my stomach hurts, and I was numb to everything up on the earth, though. It didn't work though. Salt like cold, get my fur coat. Keep a drink in my cup like my name, it was Kirko. Fuck a perk though. Think you getting better, but I swear you getting worse though. Everything up on the earth though. It didn't work though. Salt like cold, get my fur coat. Keep a drink in my cup like my name, it was Kirko. Fuck a perk though. Yeah, it wasn't better, but I swear you getting worse though. Yeah, I order whiskey at the bar and get in a bra. My grandpa told me these stories, so is it even my fault? I get distracted by a bitch, how you could sleep in the car. I've been this way since I put Power Rangers in VCRs. And if they really got a problem, I bet that they won't be pulling up. The shit I seen will make you sick, man, I swear you be throwing up. My fake friend stabbed me in the back, my real one stabbed me in the front. Brody, you don't want no smoke, I'll put your ass to sleep like in the two girls saying they need sex, probably cause I shine bright VVS. Got big BUTTS, so thick like how she vegan. Wait, that doesn't matter, I got high Saturn, but you gonna pass me the lighter. And make no mistake, I'll be like Kevin Gates, out the way that I never get tired. And you talk all this shit about the things that you did, but I think you a bum, you a liar. I'd steal your bitch in a motherfucking glimpse, man, you lucky she ain't even fire. Up on the earth though, it didn't work though. Salt like cold, get my fur coat. Keep a drink in my cup like my name, it was Kirko. Fuck a perk though, yeah, shit starts working now when you get those work call, yeah, call, yeah, call, yeah, call, yeah. I keep a drink in my cup like my name, it was